Most people throw away pineapple peels, but these peels can actually turn into one of the most healthiest probiotic drinks you can make at home. So stay tuned and see how I got to this beautiful golden probiotic drink that you are seeing. So before you throw away your pineapple peels, watch this video first. So today I am showing you how to transform simple pineapple rind into this beautiful golden fermented drink called Tepache. After just 4 days of natural fermentation, it turns into a refreshing probiotic drink that supports gut health, digestion, and overall wellness. In this recipe, I use pineapple rind, ginger, cinnamon, star anise, cloves, fennel seeds, cumin seeds, and just a little brown sugar to activate the fermentation process. The result, and a naturally fizzy, refreshing drink packed with beneficial bacteria that your gut would absolutely love. If you are looking for a natural way to support digestion, boost your immune microbiome, and reduce food waste at the same time, then keep watching this video. I'll show you exactly how to make this powerful fermented drink at home. Please, if you're stumbling on this video or this channel for the first time, please do well to like, comment, and share. Just liking this video or dropping a comment helps boost this video to as many people as possible that are reaching out for healthy gut health like you are. So don't be selfish. Please do well to actually engage. You can drop a like, you can drop a comment, share your thoughts, share something, and let this algorithm pick up this video and share to as many people as possible. Before you get to this summer season, many people are actually thinking about getting fit and trying to get into the shape of their life before this summer to fit into the bikinis and all the like. So if you're someone who is actually always constantly bloated, or you're in your luteal phase as a woman and you're always bloated at that phase, then this juice also can help you reduce that bloating and help your gut health, because they are packed with good probiotics and good bacteria that will help boost your digestion. So instead of throwing away the pineapple peels, I use them to create this delicious golden fermented drink packed with beneficial bacteria that supports digestion and overall wellness. For this recipe, I used pineapple rind, 2 pineapples, and I peeled the rind and used that for this particular juice. I also added some fresh ginger, cinnamon, star anise, cloves, fennel seeds, cumin seeds, and a small amount of brown sugar to activate the natural fermentation process. After fermenting for 4 days, the result is refreshing, slightly fizzy drink that is not only delicious but also very beneficial for your body. So here are the importance of the ingredients I use in this particular juice. We have the pineapple rind. Pineapple rinds are rich in enzymes like bromelain that supports digestion and reduce inflammation. And ginger helps reduce bloating, improves digestion, and supports the immune system. Cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar levels and support metabolic health. And I also added some cloves. Cloves are rich in antioxidants and supports gut health. And star anise, it helps improve digestion and support the immune system as well. Fennel seeds here are known to reduce bloating and support healthy digestion. And then I added cumin seeds, which helps stimulate digestive enzymes and improve nutrient absorption. So if you look at all the ingredients, they are all good for digestion, and which means your digestion will speed up, your metabolism will equally speed up. With drinking this juice, just a glass in the morning, you're good to go, and bloating stay away from you forever. So chop the pineapple rind, add everything into your jars. I do not have a large jar, so I use 2 of these jars like this, and I actually airtight and cover this very tightly so as to keep all the bacteria and all the air trapped up into these jars. So the reason for this is to trap up all excess air and just to allow the bacteria to feed on this natural sweetness and produce this fermented juice for your probiotic drink for your gut health. So keep that in a very good place, safe place, and after 4 days, the results. And the smell is so amazing. It smells good. This is how it looked like. Many people, after watching many videos of people doing this particular Tepache juice, I realized that people open it often and like daily to take out those excess foams and stuff like that at the top of the juice. But I actually allowed everything to just allow the bacteria to just set in there and do their job. And I actually opened this only after 4 days, and I cleared up all of that and then mixed that thoroughly, and the result of this drink is quite amazing. I was thinking it would be sour because of the fermentation, but no, it's just so good. It tastes great. It's not sour, it's not bad, it smells great, and it is so good. So the ingredients I added in this particular video for this particular recipe is my ingredients of choice. You may not have star anise used, can still make this juice with just ginger, cinnamon and cloves, making it very simple. But I added all of that because I know the importance of cumin seed, fennel seed when it comes to probiotics and for gut health. So I added that just to boost up those enzymes, those digestive enzymes, and there you go, a very refreshing juice. I'm not sure I'm gonna just let this slide like this. I'm going to make so many other juices before this summer. I will be making some juicing series that I will be doing just these probiotic drinks with so many other fruits to tell you that there is no need throwing anything in your kitchen. And this is a very good way for sustainability because you don't throw the excess stuff and litter the environment. So this is very environmental friendly and also God friendly. So it is a win-win. If you've watched this video up to this point, please do well to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, like and share this video. I bring a lot of videos like this for weight loss, for gut health and lifestyle changes, exercises and so on. You can name the rest. I also posted a video of my new skincare, Korean skincare routine, and I hope you go and watch that video. So this is the result of this particular juice. Wow. Look at that, refreshing, golden, and it tastes so great.
Looks so refreshing.
It tastes so good. I have never tasted a juice this good that I made actually from my own very home kitchen, and I'm so proud of myself right now. Get the result and get that sound. Did you just hear that? Did you just hear that sound? That is good fermentation right there, and this is so amazing. If you're someone who loves fermented juices, then this juice is definitely good for you. And before this summer, this is something that you need for your body. Stir up that metabolism and lose that excess fat that you have got into the winter. Please do well to share this video to as many people as possible. This juice is for you. Take the first taste and get my results.
Juice. Oh my goodness.
Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.
This tastes so good. Oh my goodness. What have I been waiting for? This is so good. It is so amazing. It's really actually refreshing. I mean,